Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to actually post to Facebook Reels, both on your personal page and on your business page. I do have to say that this feature is not available for everybody, so before you try it, just make sure you have the feature. The first way to get your Reels onto Facebook is to actually share them from Instagram. To do that, you just need to create a reel like you normally would inside of Instagram. When you finally get to the share screen, you want to make sure that you have the recommend to Facebook set to allow. Now, I got to say, some profiles don't have this kind of feature, but most of the profiles that I manage have this, but some of them don't. So make sure you have this feature. If you do, then your reel will get shared on Facebook. I will also say that when you do allow them to share your reel to Facebook, it will not only just in your Facebook pages feed, but only in Reels Discovery feed. So when you share it to Facebook, it won't actually post to your business page timeline, but it will show up in the Discovery feed for people that feed your audience on Facebook. Now, let's talk about how to post your Reels directly to Facebook. Keep in mind, you can only do this from the Facebook app, not Creator Studio nor Business Suite. To post a reel from your personal Facebook page, it's really easy. You just open up the Facebook app and right under what's on your mind, tap on Reels. And you can create a reel just as if you would on Instagram. Right before you share, just make sure that your video is set to public. So that way you'll get as many eyeballs or viewers as possibly you can. Posting reels on a Facebook business page is similar to posting on a personal page. Open up the Facebook app and navigate to the pages that you are an admin of. You have to be an admin of a business page, obviously, to post a reel. If you have the feature under the Create a Post section, you'll actually see a Reels tab. Tap that and create a reel just like you normally would. Add your video, add your music, add your text, write out your description and tap share. This will go into the Facebook Discovery feed as well as your timeline. So you can actually see some metrics on how your video is performing. So there you go. That's it. I hope you learned something new today about the Facebook Reels. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time.